Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Nag, 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 guys. Nagging on the races. Look at KSPN winning 10 races today. We had some other spectacular ones from the race, but look at KSPN winning 10 races. And this one started right around 268 as it was winning a race, kept winning a race, pulled back, kept winning a race, kept winning a race, pulled back, winning a race again. So, but before it actually pulled back, this stock went from 278 all the way up to, in fact, got all the way up to 622 before it actually started to pull back at all. So, guys, the races are where it's at. We're pushing races at Trade Ideas. I'm shamelessly going to plug it. That's all I'm really looking at now. So, I don't know how else I can tell you guys to just concentrate on the races. And I think that you have a great watch list for the whole day, and you'll find things like KSPN all the time. Okay, guys, I want to get back into the trading room. I'll open it tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. Have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye bye.